If you are a business owner or a college student and you wish to learn WordPress, but you don't want to spend any money on buying any hosting server, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a WordPress hosting server and set up WordPress website on that and get a free WordPress website setup all done for you at free of cost. You can just play around with it. You can learn WordPress using it. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to ankitsharma.tv. And today we are going to talk about how you can get a free WordPress hosting so that you can use it for learning about WordPress and just play around with it so that you can get familiar with how actually WordPress works. And when you are ready, then you can go ahead and buy any hosting server of your choice and then start creating your website. Once you create your website, it will be live only for 7 days. And 7 days are more than enough for anyone to just dive in the WordPress backend and learn more about it, how to use it, and how you to create your own website. So once 7 days are over, that website will be expired. If you want more time, then you can go ahead and create a new website and then continue playing around with it more. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check that website. So for that, you need to type in ankitsharma.tv/tastewp. I will leave that link in the description below as well, so you can go ahead and check that. Now, once we are on this website, tastewp.com, all you have to do is just sign up and just create your account. So you can go ahead and fill up all the details here and just click on register and confirm your email ID. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click on login. So I go ahead and click on login, fill up the details. So once you are signed in, you will see that you have an option for dashboard and your username is showing here. So let's go to dashboard, and I have already created one demo website here. So let me show you how you can do a fresh WordPress installation. So on the left hand side, you see we have an option for creating a new site. So here we can choose the WordPress version and the PHP version. I leave it as it is. Below that, there are some advanced options. Just leave it as it is. And I'm gonna uncheck all these options because we don't want all these plugins. And the theme it will install for us is 2020. Let it be. Let's give a name for the site. Let's click on create site. It's gonna do some backend work and voila, we have our website ready. So let's go ahead and copy these details, paste it in a notepad. All right, let's go ahead and access our site. Now, right now we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website. Now, as you can see, we have a big bold welcome screen which says that this website will be automatically deleted in 7 days. So as I said before, this is not a permanent website. So this is just a server which you can use to play around with WordPress and learn more about it. So 7 days are more than enough for that. So if we scroll down, we can click on OK, I got it. And then let's first go ahead and clean our dashboard. So this is how simple it is. You just need to sign up and you can go ahead and create any XYZ website on WordPress. So it works exactly same like any WordPress you will install on a hosting server. There is nothing changed here. So you can do anything you want. You can just play around with it and create anything using this WordPress installation. So let's go ahead and install some theme and see how it works. So 2020 is the current theme. Let's go ahead and add a new theme. Maybe let's add cadence because it's a little bit fast. I love it. And let's click on install. And once the theme is installed, let's click on activate. I'm sure you can see that the response of this server is pretty fast. So even if it is free and even if it is just gonna expire in 6 days, it's performing really well as per the backend speed concern. So now the theme is done. Let's go ahead and install a starter template so that we can quickly go ahead and create a simple website. All right, let's choose Gutenberg. And now we have the templates here. Maybe let's go ahead and import this one. Import full site. Start importing. All right, let's see how much time it takes. All right, that was actually fast. It was around 3 minutes, I guess. So let's click on finish and view site. All right, so we have our fully functional website, and you can see the URL, the site name that we have given, and the URL for Taste WP, and it's working pretty fine, and it's also not bad in terms of speed. And what else we can expect from a free hosting service? If you are a college student, or maybe you are someone who wish to learn about WordPress to start your own website, then this is the best way to just get a free hosting service, install WordPress on it, and just play around with it. You don't have to start by buying any hosting service. So this is something very good option if you are a student or just anyone who wish to learn WordPress and do not want to spend any money on hosting service. So once again, I will leave the link of the website in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and check it out and let me know what your views about it. If you faced any issue in terms of speed, in terms of performance, then make sure you let us know in the comment section below. And as of now, I have created 3-4 websites and I have not faced any speed or performance issue on this server. So let me know what are your views about it. And if you like this video, make sure you hit like and share it with someone who wish to learn WordPress and do not want to spend any money on buying hosting service. So maybe I'm sure this will help a lot of people who wish to have a free server where they can test or where they can learn about WordPress. So make sure you share this video. I'm sure this gonna help some people, and I'll see you in the next one.